If you want to clear your history on X, also known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Clearing your recent searches is a simple way to keep your account organized, remove old search terms, and clean up your search history so your sidebar looks fresh again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right area of the page and click the search bar. As soon as you click it, X will reveal your recent searches. This is where all of your past search terms are displayed, making it easy to revisit them if needed. Now that your recent search history is visible, look for the Clear All button next to Recent. This is the option that removes all of the recent search entries from your account view. Click Clear All and X will ask you to confirm your choice. When the confirmation window appears, simply click Clear. That final confirmation step makes sure you really want to delete the recent search history, so if you're sure, go ahead and confirm it. Once you do that, your recent searches will be cleared immediately, and that's it. You've now cleared your history on x.com or Twitter in just a couple of clicks. It's fast, easy, and useful if you want to keep your search activity tidy. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.